Did you know Antarctica is the largest cold desert on Earth? It stretches over 14 million square kilometers, frozen, remote, and absolutely stunning. Even though it's icy, Antarctica is technically a desert, because it gets very little precipitation, just like the Sahara. Some parts of Antarctica get less than 50 millimeters of rain or snow a year, making it one of the driest places on the planet. It's also the coldest and windiest place on Earth, with winter temperatures dropping below -80 degrees Celsius. Despite the harsh conditions, some life survives, like moss, lichens, penguins, and seals, all adapted to this frozen world. Antarctica holds 90% of the world's ice and nearly 70% of its fresh water, all locked beneath its surface. With no permanent population, it's home to scientists from around the world who study climate, ecosystems, and even the stars. Antarctica is more than just ice, it's a world of extremes, mystery, and global importance. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe.